Hi everyone, here we are for night 2 of our video knit along for the Be Simple Variations scarf. So we made it to the end of row 10 yesterday, and now we're ready to do rows 11 through 16, which are actually just a repeat of rows 3 and 4 3 times. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 are actually just 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So let's do that together. Knit through front and back in the first stitch. So this is row, what did I say, a row 11, but it's actually a row 3. So we knit to the last 2 stitches, knit 2 together, and then we have row 12, knit until we have 1 stitch left. And KFB, knit front and back. And then we have row 13. So just a row 3, knit front and back, knit until we have 2 stitches left, knit 2 together, and row 14, which is actually row 4, knit until 1 stitch left, KFB, and then row 15, which is again a row 3, knit front and back, knit until 2 stitches left, oops, I'm already there, knit 2 together, and knit until 1 stitch left, KFB. Okay, so that was rows 11 through 16. And so that means, so as you look at your pattern, it says continue in pattern, repeating rows 9 through 16 until the scarf has reached the desired size. So now for most of the rest of the scarf, it's going to be rows 9 through 16, 9 through 16, 9 through 16, and so on. You're going to want to keep track on either a piece of blank paper or with a row counter, just so you know which row you're on. You could always put a marker too if you wanted on the front of your work here, the right side of your work, just so you know just when you're looking at it whether you're on a right side or a wrong side. At the end of row 16, you should have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 stitches. So let's just do one more row 9 together just to solidify things. So we are going to knit front and back, and then our asterisks start, which is the repeat. So knit 2 together. So it's awkward sometimes trying to do knit togethers under a camera because I can't see what I'm doing. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, there's my yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, and that's where the asterisks end, and you end up with 2 stitches left, and it says knit until 2 stitches remain, knit your last 2 stitches together. Okay, so that's another eyelet row there. And every time, of course, as we're getting bigger, there are going to be more holes as the rows get, the scarf gets wider. So that was a row 9. You're going to be repeating rows 9 through 16. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to get you to carry on for a while. Let's meet up again in a week and see where we're at. I'm aiming to be about halfway done by then. I'll be able to show you my progress, and we'll go from there. And then probably about a week after that, we will tackle the binding off, which there's a couple ways you can do it. She says you can either do a regular bind off, cast off, or you can do something called a picot bind off, which gives you a really nice little sort of scalloped edge to your cast off or bind off. So we'll do that together. But like I say, carry on. See you a week from tonight. And like I say, I should have a fair bit more done, and you'll be able to see the progress. And we'll go from there. So yeah, happy knitting. Like I say, from now on, rows 9 through 16, carry on in pattern like that, and just keep going. So we'll see you soon.